wish to clarify that the public participation program additionally contemplates the collection of views at the constituency level. In this regard, I confirm that the officers of the clerk shall be present to assist the collection and compilation of views from onward transmission to the office of the clerk through the respective collection compilation centers specified in the public advertisement.
Public participation we intend to do is public participation that is very granular, right from the polling station all the way to the county. With that, Honorable Speaker, therefore necessary that we retreat tomorrow and we don't have a sitting tomorrow afternoon as the norm is as per our calendar.
As many as of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have a maximum of 60 minutes for the mover in moving and 30 minutes in replying, and a maximum of 5 minutes each for any other member speaking, and that at least 2.5 hours before a vote is taken on the motion, the Deputy President or President, as the case may be, shall be accorded an opportunity to be heard in accordance with Standing Order 67B2.
We propose that on Tuesday we have a morning sitting and an afternoon sitting, but the afternoon sitting will only end when the order of the business for the day is concluded.
Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.